Hello student, welcome back in another video of class 9th science biology. In last video we discussed about the components of the cell, different type of components which are present in the cell. We classified these components in three parts. First one is outer covering, cell wall and plasma membrane. The second one is cytoplasm and third is nucleus. Then we study about the cell wall and plasma membrane and the fluid mosaic model which is given by Singer and Nicholson. Now in this video we discuss about transportations of molecule across the plasma membrane. Okay, how the molecules are enter into the cell and they are come out from the cell. The method is known as transportation of molecule across the plasma membrane. So let we start. Transportation of molecules across the plasma membrane. This can be done by following ways. These ways are very important for examination point of view. First is diffusion. What is diffusion? Movement of solute or ions. Movement of solute or ions from higher concentration to lower concentration is called as diffusion. I gave you a simple example. If you open a perfume bottle in the room, after some time the smell is spread all the room. So this is called diffusion. Okay, high concentration to low concentration, the movement of solute and ions is known as diffusion. One important point, it does not require energy, therefore it is called passive transport. It called passive transport. Okay, no energy is requirement for this process, so it is called passive transport. The second type is osmosis. It is also a type of diffusion, but something is different in osmosis. The movement of solvent or water from higher concentration means solvent concentration, to lower concentration, solvent concentration, through a semipermeable membrane is called as osmosis. So what is the difference between osmosis and diffusion? In diffusion, solute or ions, but in osmosis, solvent. Okay, in diffusion no semipermeable membrane is present. Here the diffusion occur through the semipermeable membrane. Semipermeable membrane is present. Semipermeable membrane means only selective molecules are enter into the cell or come out from the cell. So it is called as semipermeable membrane. Okay, one more definition of osmosis: the movement of solvent or water from lower concentration to higher concentration of solution, lower concentration or to higher concentration of solution through a semipermeable membrane is called as osmosis. Okay, suppose I have two cells. Okay, suppose I dip the cell in the hypotonic solution. The concentration is high in the solution. Okay, so concentration is high of this solution. So what happened when I left one cell in this? What happened? Okay, endosmosis or exosmosis. The concentration is high. The solution concentration is high. So low concentration to high concentration. So it is called exosmosis. Okay. Types of solution on the basis of concentration. The solutions are three of type. Isotonic solution means the concentration, the outer surrounding and the cell shape or cytoplasm, the concentration is equal. So these kind of solution is known as isotonic solution. There is no osmosis occur. Little bit of osmosis occur but not visible. Hypertonic solution means high concentration solution. Third one is hypotonic solution, low concentration solution. Hyper means high concentration, hypo means low concentration solution. Okay, so three kind of solutions: isotonic, hypertonic and hypotonic solution. Okay, so what is the transportation? Transportation means the molecules which are enter into the cell by two methods: diffusion and osmosis. Diffusion is also known as passive transport. Osmosis requires some energy, so it is called as active transport. Okay, so this is called transportation of the molecule across the plasma membrane. Now we discuss about nucleus. The largest cell organelle which is present in the cell is known as nucleus. This is the diagrammatic representation of the nucleus. In nucleus, first of all, we observe the structure of the nucleus. Nucleus is a round shaped structure. In nucleus, nucleus is double membranous, double membrane organelles. Okay, double membrane organelles. Two membranes are present: outer membrane and inner membrane. Outer membrane and inner membrane. On the outer membrane, ribosomes are present. On the outer membrane of the nucleus, ribosomes are present. The outer membrane is associated with rough endoplasmic reticulum. The outer nuclear membrane is associated with which structure? Rough endoplasmic reticulum. On why rough endoplasmic reticulum is called rough? Because ribosomes are present on the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, so they are known as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, inside the nucleus, nucleoplasm is present. The matrix part of the nucleus is known as nucleoplasm. Okay, in nucleoplasm, two structures are present. One is known as nucleolus. In last class also we discussed about what is nucleolus. The ribosomes are originated in which structure? Nucleolus. Okay, and chromatin net is present. This net like structure, blue color net like structure is known as chromatin net. It is known as genetic material, DNA and chromosome. Okay, so two type of chromatin are present in a nucleus: euchromatin, thin, okay, and heterochromatin, they are thick. Sometimes here the thick part is known as heterochromatin and the thin part is known as euchromatin. So two type of chromatin are present in the nucleus: euchromatin and heterochromatin. The nuclear pore are present. Through these nuclear pore, the RNAs are come out from the nucleus. Ribosomes are come out from the nucleus. Okay, so nucleus is discovered by Robert Brown. Who discovered nucleus? Robert Brown. Okay, it is called as headquarter of the cell. It is also called as headquarter of the cell, or it is also called as mind of the cell. Okay, headquarter of the cell. Why it is called headquarter of cell? Because it directs and control all the cellular activities. All the cellular activities are controlled or regulated by or direct by nucleus. Cellular activity means all the metabolic reactions which are occur in a organism. Metabolic reaction means all the biochemical reactions which are occur in the body. For example, two kind of metabolic reactions are occurring in a living organism. First is catabolic and second is anabolic reaction. Okay, it help in transmission of hereditary characters from parents to offspring. Hereditary characters means genetic characters. Hereditary characters means genetic characters are transferred from